This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite I have in front of me, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar type in Turbo VPN, then download this particular application. Once the Turbo VPN app gets installed, you can just go ahead and open it, agree and continue on all the terms that they need you to. And after that, if you would like to turn on the VPN, just tap on this little caret icon over here. As you can see, the app UI tells you that the VPN has been enabled, as well as the status bar shows this little icon over here. If you would like to change the server, just tap over here and choose another one. If you would like to turn off the VPN connection, tap on this little cross sign over here. And then disconnect. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.